Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can connect CJ dropshipping to Etsy. Now a lot of people want to start dropshipping with Etsy, but they don't want to deal with shipping problems, because if you are using AliExpress, then you will have to deal with some problems with the suppliers there. But CJ will take care of everything. It will take care of shipping the item to your customers on Etsy. I'm going to explain to you guys everything you need to know about how this whole thing works. So if you connect CJ dropshipping to your Etsy account, CJ will take care of sourcing. You will take care of the product. You will ship the product to your customer. You don't even have to enter the information. You don't have to give information to CJ. They will do everything for you. Okay, now the only thing you do, guys, is you have to find unique products. Okay, now there is nothing easy in this life. Okay, this seems so easy. You just think, okay, I'm just going to list 100 products and then I will be a millionaire. That's not how it works, guys. You will have to find winning products. That's the only thing, guys, you need, is to find winning products. And if you don't know how to find winning products, you will not get a lot of sales. Of course, you are going to get some sales, but you will not get a lot of sales. Okay, now the first thing you want to do, guys, after you create an account on CJ, you want to click on register, and you can register using your Facebook or Google or whatever. Okay, now after you register, after you create an account on CJ, you want to click on authorization in the top left, and you want to select here Etsy. Okay, now after, guys, you select Etsy, I'm going to be showing you the other steps that you should do to connect your Etsy account to CJ dropshipping, so that CJ will do everything for you. They will ship the items. After you get a sale on Etsy, CJ will take care of everything. Now you want to click on add store. Okay, now after, guys, you click on add store, you want to do these these steps. You want to log in into your Etsy. It will ask Etsy will have you will have to sign in to your Etsy account. Okay, you want to I'm just going to use my Google. As you can see, I'm going to log in into my Etsy. Now after, guys, you log in Etsy, because I already connected my Etsy for you, you will have to scroll down. Okay, you will have to scroll down and click grant access. Okay, because I already connected my Etsy account to my CJ, it didn't ask me to click on grant access, to give access to CJ. Etsy will ask you to give access to CJ. You want to scroll down and you want to click on grant access. Now the next thing, it will take you to this page. Now the next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on list now. Okay, now after, guys, you click on list now, you will find the items that you can list on your Etsy. Okay, I'm going to be showing you, but keep in mind that you don't have to list electronics or anything like that. Your account will get banned. Okay, you probably know this. On Etsy, you can only sell handmade products. If you don't know what items you should sell, go to Etsy and see your competitors, see what people are selling. Okay, they are selling, for example, bags. Okay, you want to do the same thing. You want to search for bags. I'm just going to, you want to search for bags on CJ. Okay, now after you search, guys, for bags, for example, this one looks really like it's handmade, and it's also cheap. It's only for $8. So what you need to do, guys, after you find what you need to sell, you want to click on list. Okay, and then you want to, here, as you can see, you will see here your Etsy store, and here you have to add tags, for example, bags, and the shipping, you just want to select here China. Okay, and here you will have to enter your price. Okay, for example, this one is selling for $20. This is how much money CJ will charge you every time this item sells on your Etsy account. For example, if you sold this item for $30, CJ will take $20. So make sure you increase the profit, increase the price here, so that you can make a profit of 5% or 10%. I always go with 15%. Okay, now I'm just going to go with $30 or $29.99, and that's it. You want to add that price to every single color. Okay, of course, you don't have to sell different variation. You can go with products that have 2 colors, stuff like that. I just like to go with different, so that my buyers will have many options to choose from. So I'm just going to add here 99. I'm just going to copy this one. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now after you do this, guys, what you need to do, guys, next is Let me explain to you guys right now. Now you want to select here United States to America, ship my product most to United States of America, and shipping method, you want to select this one. It's called this one. It's called yeah, CG packet liquid USA. Okay, you want to select this one, and then you want to click on list it now. Okay, it will take a few minutes, and then you will find that exact product on your Etsy account. As you can see, it says here listed successfully. So every time that item sells on your Etsy will take care of everything. Like I said, the only problem here is to find unique product. So I hope guys this answered all your questions. If you have any questions, you don't understand anything, I reply to every single comment. Let me know in the comments. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. And if you can drop a like on this video, that would be highly appreciated. Make sure you watch this video in the screen. It will explain to you more about how you can dropship on Etsy, okay? And also some mistakes that you should never do if you are a dropshipper on Etsy. Click the video in the screen and drop a like on this video. See you guys next video.